You already know the perfect tense completed action. Today, that same perfect stem grows two more tenses and one new infinitive. Listen to the deepest past of the verb to love.
Amaveram.
I had loved. By the end, you will form the pluperfect, the future perfect, and the perfect infinitive of every verb you know. All three new forms grow from one thing, the perfect stem. 6 familiar verbs anchor the lesson, each with the stem you will build on.
Aimo.
Love stem.
Amav. Moneo.
Advice stem.
Monu. Rego.
Rule stem.
Rex. Capio.
Take stem.
Cep. Audio.
Hear stem.
Audiv. Sim.
Be stem.
Fu.
Rule 1. The pluperfect. It marks an action already finished before another past moment. I had loved, done before the story even began. Build it from the perfect stem, add one tense sign,
Era.
then the personal endings, hear it across the verb to love.
Amaveram.
I had loved.
Amaveras.
You had loved.
Amaverat.
He, she, or it had loved.
Amaveramus.
We had loved.
Amaveratis.
You all had loved.
Amaverant.
They had loved. Swap in another stem and the whole conjugation follows. Rule 2, the future perfect. It marks an action that will already be finished before some moment still to come. I shall have loved. Same perfect stem, a new tense sign.
Eri.
Then the endings again. Run it through the verb to love.
Amavero.
I shall have loved.
Amaveris.
You will have loved.
Amaverit.
He, she, or it will have loved.
Amaverimus.
We shall have loved.
Amaveritis.
You all will have loved.
Amaverint.
They will have loved. Only the first person singular bends its vowel. The rest wear the tense sign plainly. These two tenses sound almost alike, so listen for one vowel. The pluperfect stretches its sign long.
Era.
The future perfect clips it short.
Eri.
That single sound separates had loved from shall have loved. Because the endings stay perfectly regular, you can raise both tenses on any verb whose perfect stem you know, from give and carry to say, make, and come. Rule 3, the perfect active infinitive. Add a single ending to the perfect stem,
Isse.
and the verb means to have done. Here all 5 modal verbs.
Amavisse.
To have loved.
Monuisse.
To have advised.
Rexisse.
To have ruled.
Cepisse.
To have taken.
Audivisse.
To have heard. Even the verb to be forms it.
Fuisse.
To have been. Now practice. I give a form, translate it before the answer appears. First,
Miserant.
they had sent a pluperfect.
Dixeris.
You will have said a future perfect.
Duxis.
To have led a perfect infinitive.
Discesseramus.
We had departed. One more pluperfect. 2 full sentences now. Translate this one.
Monstrum sevum domicilia mult deleverat.
The savage monster had destroyed many homes. The pluperfect reaches back before the rest of the tale. Now a question, then its answer.
Quem verba oraculi moverant. Populum verba oraculi moverant.
Whom had the words of the oracle moved? The words of the oracle had moved the people. Turn it around. Put each English phrase into Latin, then check yourself. They have obeyed.
Parverunt.
We shall have sent.
Miserimus.
I had come.
Veneram.
He will have given.
Dederit.
To have destroyed.
Delevisse.
One last question. Did Cepheus obey the oracle?
Păruit ne Cepheus oraculo? Păruit.
The verb to obey takes the dative, and the plain perfect answers a simple did. Put it together. 3 new forms, all raised on the perfect stem. The pluperfect adds.
Era.
For what had happened, the future perfect adds.
Eri.
For what will have happened, and the perfect infinitive adds.
Isse.
for to have done. Learn these three signs and the active perfect system is complete. Next, the same completed action crosses into the passive voice, what had been done and what will have been done. To practice what you just learned, this course has free exercises and AI graded feedback on ludium.ai. The link is in the description.